Never know. Holy shit.
Good morning. So today is a little bit of an exciting day for us. We are headed to Gillette to pick up a new puppy, and the kids are really excited. Me and Tyler are like, we kind of have mixed feelings about it. The last 2 months, we had to put down 2 of our dogs. One of them was just really old and kind of suffering, and then the other one was a rock eater, and we'd already paid for surgery for him before, and we just couldn't afford to keep doing it. So it was kind of heartbreaking. Mostly, we're doing this because we have a little Aussie puppy dog that we love, and he has been so lonely and depressed since we put Bruce down, and he's like not eating or drinking well. And so when we're gone during the day, I think it really upsets him that he's by himself. So we're gonna get a puppy for our other puppy. It's horrible timing, so bad. Like, we have so many plans for this summer, and it would be so much easier to just have one dog. And also, we're remodeling our bathroom, so our house is a disaster right now. So this is probably a terrible idea, but here we go. We just stopped at the co-op to get some gas and get some snacks and drinks, and hit the bathroom real quick before we head up the mountain. We're going up and over the mountain and going about 3.5 hours to pick up this cute puppy that we found. And so we will check in with you later. Okay, so we're in Gillette, and we have picked up our new baby. His name is Rooster, because we have a Top Gun thing going on. Rooster is the name of Maverick's son, and we have an Aussie named Maverick. So it's gonna take a little adjusting, I think. He's a little scared and whiny right now, but I think it'll be okay. And we're gonna head back home. We are outside of Buffalo, and there's all of these like big, huge, random lava rocks. And it's just bizarre.
Alright, we just got home with the new puppy. I'm gonna go see Maverick sitting over there in the window. We're gonna get his reaction to the new dog. Hopefully it's a good one. We'll see. What do you think, Mav? You wanna come see your new brother?
He's just like, what is this? What do you think, Mouse?
Alright, I'll let them get out and play for a little bit and see how they get along.
Three days later.
Okay, well, it's been a busy week in our house. It's a disaster in here. But the puppy is doing good. He's chewing away on his little bone I got him today, because he's been trying to chew on everything and anything. Mav got one too. He's doing so good. And Courtney doesn't want to be on camera, like always. And there's stuff everywhere. Ty and Tim have had to redo pretty much all of the plumbing for the bathroom because it was old and it was just falling apart. So Tim framed in this partial wall for the shower today. The base is sitting in. We've got a new flange in here. They also had to put a new toilet flange in the other bathroom. We have a fan and lots of new plumbing. Well, we're in the kids' bathroom and we have a new toilet now. It was a crappy toilet before that wouldn't ever flush right, and so we're all very happy to have a new one. We also got this fan light installed. We never had a fan in here before, so when we showered we had to keep the door open. So this is our only bathroom right now. We're almost done with all the plumbing, and we're gonna be working on putting up some drywall today. So we'll update you later.
In the meantime,
He's hiding. Rooster! Rooster! Come on! Come on, Rooster! Sneak attack.
I was like, I can't fit through there. Oh my gosh. He's waiting for him. He comes.
Run away! Rooster! Run! Run, Rooster, run! Shh.
Holy shit! That shit went everywhere.
I'd say the toilet's done.
We have to walk down and see what's left.
I had the binoculars. I could see it just go.
See, I couldn't see
It just
that.
exploded. Holy crap!
You do it?
Okay, we're gonna see what's left. Here's a little tiny piece there.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's it.
Not even hot.
Basically, there's the innards and pretty much nothing left.
Oh, he came all the way up here. Nose busted.
Yeah.
I'll give you guys an update on the progress we've made with the bathroom. Yesterday, Ty and his dad got the shower panels up. It's gonna be a really nice shower. And then we've got 2 pieces of drywall up. And the ceiling has been skim coated because it had a texture on it before. And so we're gonna make it kind of flat so it doesn't have texture to it. That way all the walls we can just do with a flat texture and none of that texture that is on most walls these days. So all the plumbing is pretty much done. We have to put the shower head in up here, but otherwise we're making good progress. I think today we're gonna try to hang all the drywall, and then I can start mudding and sanding, which will be so much fun. And then we'll start tiling, and then we'll be able to get all of our stuff in. So stay tuned.
All right, we got some of the drywall up. Chelsea's gonna start on mudding. I gotta get this wall framed now before we can continue on with the drywall. All right.
The next day.
Hi guys, I thought I would give you a little bit of an update on our bathroom progress. So yesterday we were able to get all of the drywall hung, and I got part of a wall mudded. So now I am finishing up all the mudding. I've gotten about half of it done so far. I'm not a drywaller, so this is a challenge because mudding is like tedious, and basically, since I'm not a drywaller, I'm gonna be doing a ton of sanding, but that's okay. I think it'll be all right. It'll turn out just fine. So I'll give you an update when I'm all done. Hi guys, I just thought I'd give you a quick update on our progress with the bathroom before I have a work thing to go to. I'm all dressed up right now, but here is all the mud work I've done so far. The ceiling's ready to sand, and I got this plumbed and drywalled this weekend while I was at work. So I just have to finish mudding up this wall and up here above the shower. And then I can do the sanding. So I'm not really looking forward to all the sanding. I'm sure I'm gonna have to do, and potentially more mudding. I hope not, but we'll see how it goes. I don't think I did too bad for not being a drywaller, but anyhow, I think that's gonna be about all for this video. I don't want to make our videos too horribly long, just because I know sometimes that takes a lot to pay attention for that long to watch an entire 45-minute YouTube video. So I try to keep them short and sweet. If you guys have any suggestions or anything on content you'd like to see, put it in the comments. I think after this bathroom project is done, our videos might get a lot more interesting because we have kind of a secret project that's going to happen next, but also summertime is just fantastic and wonderful, and it's going to be so much fun, and I really think you guys will enjoy some of our summer activities. So anyway, stay tuned. Our next video, hopefully we'll be finishing this bathroom.